Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Mr. English podcast, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Emily.
Hey, Emily. It is so good to be here today, especially because we are teaching a skill that every single beginner needs.
Oh, really? What are we talking about today, Brian?
Today, we are learning how to talk about yourself in English. We're going to learn how to introduce yourself and share simple details about your life.
Oh, I love that topic. Introducing yourself is the very first thing you do when you meet someone new.
Yeah, totally. Whether you're starting a new job, traveling to a new country, or joining an English class, you need these phrases.
Exactly. But, talking about yourself can make people feel a little nervous or shy, especially in a new language.
Oh yeah, it can be. You worry about using the right words, and sometimes your mind just goes blank.
Right. And if you get nervous, you might freeze up. Honestly, I still get a little shy when I have to introduce myself to a big group of strangers.
See? It is completely normal to feel that way. So today, we'll make it super simple.
Perfect. Let's start with the very first step. Greetings and your name.
Good idea. When you meet someone, you should smile and say hello. What are the best ways to do that, Emily?
Well, you can say, "Hello, my name is Emily." Or a more casual way is, "Hi, I'm Emily."
Hi, I'm Brian. Perfect. It is short, polite, and very clear. And after you say your name, what do you say next?
You should say, "Nice to meet you."
Nice to meet you. That is a classic phrase. Let's repeat that for our beginners. Nice to meet you.
Great. Now, the next thing people usually ask about is your country or city. Ryan, how do you share where you are from?
It is very easy. You can say, I am from Canada. Or if you want to mention your city, you can say, I live in Toronto.
I am from and I live in. Those are two excellent phrases. Listeners, notice the difference. I am from is your home country, but I live in is where you reside right now.
Exactly. So if you move to a new place, you could say, I am from Brazil, but I live in New York.
That is a great tip for our listeners. It gives a lot of good information. Hey, Brian, before we talk about our ages and our jobs, I think we should talk to our listeners.
Oh, you are so right. Time flies when we are making new friends. It really does.
If you are enjoying this episode, please click that like button right now.
Yes, and please subscribe to the Mr. English podcast so you never miss a lesson with us. Sharing this video with a friend who is learning English helps a lot too.
And we have a question for you today. Where are you from?
Oh, I want to see the answers. Let us know your country in the comments below.
Awesome. Now let's get straight back to our introductions.
Now let's talk about how to mention your age and your job. Emily, how do we talk about age in English without making a common mistake?
Yes, this is a big one. In many languages, you say, I have 20 years. But in English, we use the verb to be. You must say, I am 30 years old. Or simply, I am 30.
I am 30. Yes, never say I have. That sounds very unnatural to native speakers.
Exactly. Just use I am. Now, what about your job, Brian? How do you talk about your work?
You can say, I am a teacher, or I work as an engineer. Listeners, notice the little word a or an before your job. I am a teacher. He is an engineer.
Yes, that little grammar rule is very important for A1 and A2 learners. What if someone does not have a job right now, or they are a student?
Don't panic. You can say, I am a student at a university, or I am retired, or I am looking for a job right now.
I am looking for a job. That is a very useful phrase. Now, let's talk about the fun part of an introduction, your hobbies.
Ah, yes. Hobbies are the things you love to do in your free time. Brian, what do you like to do? In my free time, I love to play football and I enjoy listening to music. What about you, Emily?
I like to read books, and I love to cook delicious food for my family.
Look at the phrases we use there. I love to, and I enjoy, and I like to. These are all perfect ways to talk about your interests.
Yes, practicing these exact phrases before you introduce yourself to someone is a great idea.
It really is. And you know who can help you practice talking about yourself anytime? Mr. English AI.
Oh, yes, our smart assistant is amazing for this. You can chat with Mr. English AI anytime to practice introducing yourself. It helps you try different conversations so you can feel totally confident when you meet real people in English.
The link is right in the video description, so check it out after the episode. Definitely, it is like having a teacher in your pocket.
Exactly. Now, let's put all these pieces together into a short, perfect introduction example. Brian, can you introduce yourself from start to finish?
Sure. Hello, everyone. My name is Brian. I am from Canada, but I live in Toronto. I am 32 years old, and I am a teacher. In my free time, I love to play football and watch movies. Nice to meet you all.
That was absolutely perfect, Brian. It was clear, friendly, and covered all the basic points.
Thank you, Emily. Now, let's do a super quick review of the key phrases we learned today. Listen and repeat.
Hello, my name is. Nice to meet you. I am from. I live in. I am 30 years old. I am a teacher. I work as an. In my free time. I love to. I like to. I enjoy.
Perfect. If our listeners practice just those phrases, they will be totally fine introducing themselves to anyone.
Absolutely. They are the golden phrases for talking about yourself.
Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the Mr. English podcast.
And leave your comment answering our question below. Tell us where you are from in English. Thank you so much for listening to us today, everyone.
Yes, thank you. And we will see you in the next episode. Goodbye.
Bye-bye, guys.